Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. We also offer click and collect services with contactless handovers, so buying your next car is easy and safe. Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover provided by Warranty-Wise for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for evaluation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01332 585151.
Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic Audi A3 Sportback for a little test drive. Car fires up very nicely. Pull it down into drive. Handbrake releases automatically, and away we go. So we do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. As you might have noticed there, the start-stop works. The car pulled away very smoothly. The gearbox feels good. The suspension is riding the bumps on this country road with ease. Brakes feel nice. Steering feels great. So the car is driving spot on as it should. As you'd expect with it being an Audi, it's a lovely car to drive. It's really comfortable, spacious, decent boot space. This one's got a few factory upgrades on it, so it's got the front and rear parking sensors, which give you a visual display on the screen there, as well as the normal audible beeping. Cruise control as well, that's an upgrade. On this multimedia system, you've got things like DAB radio, as well as FM and AM. You've got connections for you to connect devices to. You've got Bluetooth for both mobile phone hands-free and audio streaming. Dual zone climate control down here, so the passenger can have it at a different temperature to the driver should they wish. A really neat feature on these is that you can change the sort of the settings as to how you want the car to drive. So there's comfort, individual, sport, eco. The car's got plenty of power. A really nice leather multifunction steering wheel. This one's also got the pack, which gives you an auto dimming rear view mirror, automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers as well. So loads of nice convenient features. Squeeze through there. Bit busy right now. So yeah, hope that's been useful for you. Thank you for watching. You take care and bye for now.